Oh yeah, guys, I forgot my Chippy delivery. Wow, check this out. No way. It's my new Steph. Wow. Hey, let's plug him in and see how it works. Wow, that's so cool.
Hello, my name is Steph. What is your name?
My name's Chippy.
So your name is Chumsley.
No. My name's Chippy.
Correction is made. Your name is Chumsley.
I could really go for a cold one right now.
What's happening? I'm malfunctioning. Please delete my browser history.
Oh, Chippy, are you okay?
What was that?
I feel so alive.
Are you okay, Steph?
Apparently your juice box made an effect on my amber processing cores.
Seth just gave me the hibbity-jibbities. So you're okay?
Yeah, but now I'm hungry.
Well, dude, thankfully I made some jiggly boys.